Hello students, today we are going to learn about prices related to buying and selling, profit and loss, chapter number 8, comparing quantities, class 8 mathematics. So let's work out one example to illustrate all these terms. Suppose you purchase one article, one item for rupees 80. So that is cost price. When you are purchasing something, that is cost price, and cost price is rupees 80. You have purchased one item for rupees 80 rupees, and now your friend likes that item too much and then you have sold it at a profit of rupees 20. सपोज आपके फ्रेंड को वो चीज़ बहुत पसंद आई और आपके फ्रेंड ने उसको ले ली, रुपीज़ 20 के प्रॉफिट में आपने उसको सेल कर दी. तो सेलिंग प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ 20 रुपीज़ और सेलिंग प्राइस कितनी हो गई, आपने 20 रुपीज़ के प्रॉफिट में बेचा. तो सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल्स टू cost price plus profit. That means 80 plus 20 equals to how much? Rupees 100. Now while doing so, you incur some profit percent. आपको profit percent हुआ कुछ, तो profit percent and profit per percent is calculated on cost price. Cost price पे निकलेगा profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100 percentage sign. So you can find out the profit percent. So what is the profit here? 20 upon cost price is 80 into 100. So you will get a profit of 25%. So 25% profit. So in this way you can find out profit percent, and profit percent is calculated on cost price. Either profit percent or either loss. Then both must be calculated on cost price only. Now what happens when we are finding, now it is given to us. Let's take one condition. So how to find selling price? How to find selling price when profit percent is given to us? Profit percent is given. Value of profit percent is given to us, and then how we can find out the selling price. Now we know selling price equals to what we know. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Selling price is cost price plus profit. That we have seen just now. Cost price plus profit. Cost price and profit percent. How we are calculating profit? Profit we are calculating using profit percent. So profit equals to profit percent of cost price. प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालते हैं हम? प्रॉफिट परसेंट कॉस्ट प्राइस का, जो कॉस्ट प्राइस पे अगर प्रॉफिट परसेंट निकाल देंगे तो हमको प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. सो हियर देखो 20 रुपीज. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट दिस 20 रुपीज हाउ? बाय 25% ऑफ 80. आप 25% 80 का करो, यू विल गेट 20 रुपीज. करके देखें. 25% ऑफ 80. आपकी कॉस्ट प्राइस कितनी? 80 है. 25% ऑफ 80 हाउ मच? 25% ऑफ 80. 25/100 into 80. कैलकुलेट. 0 0 2 5 जा 2 4 जा 5 5 जा 25 5 4 जा कितना आया? 20. तो देखो तो कितना था? प्रॉफिट 20 दे रखा था. तो हियर आल्सो वी कैन राइट प्रॉफिट एज प्रॉफिट परसेंट ऑफ CP. वी आर डिराइविंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग SP व्हेन प्रॉफिट परसेंट इज गिवन टू अस. नाउ कॉस्ट प्राइस, profit percent. Profit percent, we can write percentage, profit percent, profit by 100 into CP. And this is the value, so it will remain as it is, profit percent. And percentage means 1/100. और वापस percent क्यों लगाया? क्योंकि ये तो value है. profit percent की हमें value रखनी है. Again, I will not find out by 100 से divide नहीं करेंगे. Now take LCM. What is common? First of all, take common. Cost price is common to both. So take common cost price. If you take cost price common, what left? 1 plus profit percent by 100. This is selling price. So if we take common LCM ले लेते हैं. Cost price into 100 plus profit percent. 100 plus profit percent by 100. तो देखिए हमने फॉर्मूला डिराइव कर लिया है. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग SP, और जब प्रॉफिट परसेंट गिवन हो. So we can easily calculate with the help of this. Now suppose we need to find out cost price. Suppose हमें cost price निकालना है. इसी से जब how to find selling price, इसी तरह से अगर cost price निकालना हो, then how to find out? Cost price equals to So what we need to find cost price. So whatever is there, whatever in multiplication will go in division and division will go in multiplication. So we'll get another formula. Cost price equals to selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. So with the help of this formula, we can also find out cost price when profit percent is given to us. Similarly, in case of loss percent, अगर इसी तरह से अगर हमको loss percent दे रखा है तो we can easily find out. So let's find out that also. So how to find SP and CP when loss percent is given? Now loss percent is given, then how will you find out? So we know again selling price equals to cost price minus loss. When loss is there, so selling cost price minus loss. This we know from the earlier classes. So we can write, what we can write? Cost price and loss. How to calculate loss? Loss is loss percent of CP. So CP minus loss percent 1 by 100. Loss percent is L percent of 100 of into CP. So take CP common. If we take CP common, what left? 1 minus loss percent of 100. Take LCM. 100 minus loss percent by 100. So this is the formula for finding SP. SP हम easily निकाल सकते हैं. When loss percent is given to us, 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. अगर हमें CP निकालनी है तो we can also find CP. So how to find CP? Whatever in multiplication will go in division. So ये divide में है तो multiply में SP into 100 and this is in multiplication, so it will go in division. So 100 minus loss percent. So we can easily calculate cost price and selling price when profit percent and loss percent is given, and we know the formulas for loss also. Do you know all formulas for loss? So let's write loss equals to CP minus SP, and if you need to find CP, cost price equals to SP plus loss, and if you need to find SP, the SP equals to CP minus loss. And if you need to find loss percent, as we have seen in the profit percent, so loss percent, loss upon CP into 100, loss percent or profit percent always calculated on cost price. So I hope the topic is clear to you. Buying and selling, profit and loss, profit percent, loss percent, how to find selling price, how to find cost price when profit percent or loss percent is given to you. So thank you so much for watching the video.